Feeling trapped? You're working hard, earning a decent income, maybe even trying to save, but still, that paycheck-to-paycheck cycle feels like a gravitational pull you just can't escape. It's frustrating. You cut here, you pinch there, and yet the needle barely moves. Here's the thing, the problem isn't always what you're buying. It's not just about the cost of things. It's about how much value you're truly getting for every single dollar spent. And most people, they're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year because they're missing this one critical insight. They're getting poor value, and it's slowly draining their potential for real wealth. Think about it. We're conditioned to focus on the big expenses, right? The rent, the car payment, the mortgage. We scrutinize those. But what about the insidious, small, low-value drains? The forgotten subscriptions, the convenience purchases that add up, the habits that formed without a second thought. These are the hidden leaks in your financial bucket, and they are costing you a fortune. They're keeping you stuck, plain and simple. That's where the Value Max rule comes in. It's not another restrictive budget. It's a powerful mindset shift. The Value Max rule states, for every dollar you spend, relentlessly ask yourself, am I maximizing the value I receive? Is there a way to get significantly more value for this dollar, or better value elsewhere? It's about intentionality. It's about optimizing, not just cutting. Because true wealth isn't built on deprivation, it's built on smart allocation. It's about making your money work harder for you, even before you earn more. So, how do you apply this rule? It starts with a radical honesty session. Take the next 15 minutes and pull up your bank statements and credit card bills from the last 30 to 60 days. Don't just glance at them. Really look. Every single transaction. Now, for each recurring expense, for each spending category, ask those Value Max questions. Take subscriptions. That streaming service you rarely open. That gym membership you used twice last month. That software you bought with good intentions but never actually launched. Are you truly maximizing the value there? What if you paused that service for a few months? Or found a free, equally effective alternative? Maybe you switched to a more affordable gym with the same equipment? Could you just cancel it? Many of these are set it and forget it drains. You pay without thinking, without getting value. Or daily habits. Your morning coffee shop run. That quick takeout lunch. Now, I'm not saying never enjoy these things. But if it's a daily ritual, and you're not savoring every sip or bite, if it's just habit, are you maximizing the value? Could you invest in a quality coffee maker at home? Prep your lunches for the week? The value of the experience might be the same, or even better, and the cost dramatically lower. Look at convenience. Those grocery delivery fees, the pre-cut veggies that cost double, the impulse buys at the checkout. What's the true value proposition there? Is the convenience worth the extra 20%, 30% you're paying? Or could a slight shift in planning, a dedicated grocery trip, a few minutes of shopping unlock significant savings without sacrificing much value at all? Here's the critical, non-negotiable step. Every single dollar you free up by applying the Value Max rule must immediately be reallocated. Not into your checking account for future spending. Not into a general savings account. Directly into a high-yield savings account or, even better, into an investment account. Make it automatic. Set up a transfer the moment you cancel a subscription or identify a new saving. Imagine this. You find one in-use subscription for $15 a month. You cancel it. You make your coffee at home, saving $3 a day, 5 days a week. That's $60 a month. You cut down on eating out once a week, saving $40. Just these small shifts, suddenly you've found $115 a month. That's nearly $1,400 a year. Reallocate that. Every year. For years. The power of compounding on that $1,400, it's life-changing. This isn't about feeling deprived. It's about feeling empowered. It's about taking control, making conscious choices, and redirecting your hard-earned money from things that offer minimal value to things that will truly build your future. It's how you stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building real wealth, money that works for you, while you live a life aligned with your actual values. So, don't just budget. Value max your spending. See how many thousands you can unlock this month, this year. You're closer to financial freedom than you think. And if you're ready to make your money work harder for you, hit that subscribe button. We're here to help you build the financial future you deserve.